Hello viewers, here is a quote waterproof close quote 5-volt transformer. There is not enough quotes in the world to go around that word. This goes to a set of outdoor icicle lights, and the manual claims you can put this plug right outside and it'll be fine because it's waterproof. That certainly looks waterproof to me. No way water's getting in there. So anyways, I've put this outside, and to my surprise it made it through an entire season. Put it outside again this year and it quit the second time it rained. So I'm looking at the plug here and I can see the prongs are already starting to rust. I can only imagine the whole thing is just rusted out inside. Now, I don't necessarily intend to fix this because I have another one that I can use, because this is just a regular old 5-volt 1 amp transformer, so there's really nothing irreplaceable about it. But I want to see if I can cut this open here. I mean, it's kind of sealed, it's kind of tight, so let's see if I can get in here and figure out what went wrong. There's that waterproof seal just got broken. Give me a break. Ow! Okay, well anyways, here it is. And, oh yeah, that's the problem. So it looks like the water got to the circuitry board here. And as you can see, this lead came right off. Now, I don't know if that came off when I pulled it apart or if it just disintegrated. If it hadn't disintegrated yet, it was very close to doing so. I don't even know if this could be salvaged. This is really bad. You probably have to reroute some of these traces. Yeah, that's doesn't look like it's necessarily a cheap board. I don't see anything blatantly wrong with it. I just don't think it was ever intended to be wet, even though they claimed it was. So that's the failure here. You can see all in there is all rusted out. Underneath some of the caps is rusted. I mean, this is just an absolute failure here. Now I have to wonder if perhaps it was supposed to go like this. If this was in here like this, I could halfway believe if it was like that, and then stuff it in there for whatever it's worth, and then this went on here like this, I would still have my doubts about how truly waterproof it is. But I could see that having a chance surviving rain or any kind of exposure you would get with something hanging on a tree out in the elements. This I could probably say this would pass as waterproof, but I don't know. I'm guessing this is how it's supposed to be. This is not how it was. So, you know, once again we have a major quality control failure in this. But anyways, I thought that was kind of interesting. What I'm going to do is probably just get a new transformer, because I still have the lead here, which is really the only anomalous part. Just get a regular 5-volt 1 amp transformer, put the leads on it, and we'll be back in business.